Hi, welcome to our showroom. I'm Clint, a design consultant here at Bartels. And if you're considering barn door hardware, here's a few options you can look at. This application right here is floor to ceiling. You have the solid stainless steel, modern barn door hardware mixed with a rustic wood door, gives it that transitional design. It's a very smooth sliding system. Here's the wood option. You can also go for frameless glass. Gives you that ultra modern, clean look. You have a flat bar system. On this one, you're actually using the soft stop where you take the door down, it catches, and slowly closes. Now using single doors and double doors and customizing any type of opening is all possible when using barn door hardware. We come to this application where we use the synchro system. You take one door, you pull it, and both doors open at the same time. You see the wheels moving, very much a wow factor type of design. So come on into the showroom, let's talk about your options, and we'll realize your vision together.